Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Facebook account eligible for Marketplace. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, as you can see in my account, there is no Marketplace icon in the navigation bar. What we're going to do now is to go to Play Store and make sure that your Facebook app is updated. Now, once you're done updating your Facebook app, go back to Facebook. Now go to menu. And then go to settings and privacy and then click settings. Now scroll all the way down and click the navigation bar and customize the bar. Now you can see the marketplace below. It is hidden. Now change it to pin. And once you're done changing that, go back to your newsfeed. Now you will see the marketplace in there. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.